Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the mode of decay and that we have got to know about the alpha decay. So here there is a different topic so that we could understand what is actually alpha decay in brief. So let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, here we are going to talk about the alpha decay. So what is alpha decay? Let me talk about that with the help of the definition. The emission of alpha particle from the nuclei of an radio element is called as alpha decay. So what actually means the alpha particle? So let me give you an idea here. The alpha particles are nothing but the particles which has a mass of 4 AMU and has an positive charge of +2. So if they have a mass of 4 AMU and they have a positive charge of +2, that means we could say this is very much resembling to that of the atomic number of helium. So sometimes we could say that is the alpha particles are nothing but they are the nuclear. So sometimes we could say that is the alpha particles are nothing but they are helium, but there is a difference in helium and alpha particle. In helium, actually, as we know, that is there is 2 protons that has been present in the nucleus, as well as the atomic number of the helium is 4. That means it consists of 2 protons as well as 2 neutrons. But helium also consists of 2 electrons. But this alpha particle, that is during the alpha decay, this alpha particle, it doesn't consist of electron. It only consists of a positively, that is +2 positively charged particles having an mass of 4 atomic mass unit. That is also we could say that is unified mass. So this is how basically whenever a particular radio element it emits particle, those particles are the one which are the alpha particles. So here we can say that is whenever we are using a particular element, and suppose if the particular element is emitting alpha particle, then the product that has been formed, that is also known as a daughter nuclei, the product that has been formed, it will have that is 2 protons less, as well as we could also say that it will have the atomic mass which is decreased by 4 AMU. So based on that, let me give you a certain example so that we could understand what is actually alpha decay. So this is the example. Here suppose if we have considered the element X which has an atomic number of Z and atomic mass of A. So after the emission of the alpha particle, and in that case it is very much resembling to that of the helium's atomic number, having atomic number of 2 and atomic mass of 4. So suppose if this is the alpha particle, so the product which has been formed, that is known as daughter nuclei, that daughter nuclei will have the atomic number which is less than 2 compared to that of the previous one, and the atomic mass is less than 4 compared to that of the previous one. So that means this element which has been formed, it is quite different from that of the initial or the parent atom which we have used, and this is how basically we'll get an alpha particle. So this is nothing but this is just the general process where we can show that is how the alpha particles are being emitted and how the changes occur. So let me talk about the another example. Suppose if we have considered radium. So radium has an atomic number of 88 and it has an atomic mass of 226. Suppose if it emits alpha particle, then we could find that is the product which has been produced, it has 4 AMU less compared to that of that is the previous one, that is the atomic mass number I am talking about, atomic mass. So the atomic mass is now 222. And we could also see the change in the atomic number. The atomic number has been reduced to 2, that is from 88 to 86. So that means radium, after emission of alpha particle, it converts into radon. So this is nothing but this is one of the example of the alpha decay. And now let me talk about the other examples. So this is the another example, that is what we have. So here we have uranium that is having an atomic number of 92 and atomic mass number of 238. Suppose if it produces, that is alpha particle, that is helium 24. So what is the product, or what is the daughter nuclei that is being produced? So here basically we could find that is the atomic mass number of the product which has been obtained over here. It will be 4 AMU, or 4 unified mass less compared to that of the previous one. So therefore we could find that is this one would have 2, 3, 4 AMU of the atomic mass, while compared to that of the atomic number, it will be nothing but it will be 90, because 2 protons are being eliminated from this process. So that's the reason the atomic number is 90. So what is the product, or what is the element which has been formed? The element which is formed here is thorium, because thorium has an atomic number of 90. So this is how one of the example where we could find that is how the change occurs. So now let me talk about the another example also. The another example here basically we have to find out is, suppose if we have an element X and X produces Y by alpha emission. So if Y, that is the element, is in the group 16 of the periodic table, what is the group of element X? So here basically it is a very simple process to understand. Suppose if you are talking about the element X, obviously it will emit alpha particles, that is nothing but He24, and obviously it will produce the element Y. But the Y is belonging to group 16. So if it is belonging to group 16, then obviously we understand that is the outermost shell consists of 6 electrons. And suppose if outermost shell consists of 6 electrons, but this has been produced because of the element X, which has more atomic mass number as well as more atomic number compared to that of the element Y. Suppose if we are talking about the atomic number, so it will be, for X it will be more by +2, and the atomic number and the atomic mass number, it will be +4 more compared to that of the atomic number of Y. So here basically we could find that is if this Y is belonging to group 16, then the X will be belonging to group 18. So this is how basically we have found out that what is the group of the element X, if this is the question which has been given to us, and that's it. So this is how basically the alpha decay, as well as this are the few examples that we have discussed in this topic. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.